How to change white background to transparent. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your image. Select the image from your folders and open it with Photoshop. Adjust the image to the center. Then, in the Layers panel, click on the lock to release it. Turn into an editable layer. Rename it from Layer 0 to anything descriptive. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, select the Magic Eraser tool in the Tools panel. It's the third in the Eraser tab. Choose the following preferences like Tolerance 30, Anti-Alias checked, Opacity 100% as shown on picture. Step 4. Erase the background. Click on the white area with the Magic Eraser tool selected. But you'll find this kind of screen pop up with your Magic Eraser tool. Our image has a gray shadow which disappears with the Magic Eraser. If your image has a light color, you can do this instead. Stream and save as PNG. After that, you're good to go. That's how to change white background to transparent. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next.